Welcome to Edugram, your one-stop destination for sharing and accessing educational content. In this video, we will learn how to create and publish a course on Edugram. From your author dashboard, navigate to the Courses tab and click on the Create Course card. Here, you can see different tabs on the sidebar for the step-by-step creation of your course. By clicking on the arrow, you can hide or show the sidebar menu for your convenience. Let's start with crafting an engaging course title. The course title is the first impression students will have of your content. It should be engaging and informative, ensuring clarity and relevance so that students instantly understand the course's focus and have the desire to click. Next, create a unique course nickname. This identifier will be attached to your course and will be part of the course URL when shared. The nickname should make your course easily recognizable and reflect its essence. After that, select the appropriate category and subcategory for your course. Correct classification aligns with student expectations and the core content of your course. Choose categories that best describe the subject matter to ensure students can easily find your course. Now, set the age limit for your course. This helps ensure that the content is suitable for the intended audience. If you're unsure about the age limit, click on the information icon to check the age limit details and make an informed decision. Next, select the level of the course to define its complexity. This step is crucial as it helps students gauge whether the course matches their current knowledge and skills. Choose from beginner, intermediate, or advanced levels based on the content's difficulty. Then, specify the primary language of instruction for your course. Select the language used for content, lectures, and materials to help students understand the medium of instruction and ensure they can follow along easily. Finally, after completing these steps, click on Continue to navigate to the Materials section. This is where you will upload and manage your course content, including videos, PDFs, and other resources. Materials section in the course creation process allows you to upload and organize all the resources and content for your course. This includes lecture notes, readings, assignments, and multimedia elements. Here you can click on the Add section to create a new section of your course lectures by defining the section title and description. Section is the container folder for your lectures. Give it a proper name that tells what students will learn during this module. Section description is a brief info what the student will achieve after completing this section. In section controls, lets you add a lecture to your section as well as edit, and delete the section according to your needs. After creating the section, you can create a course lecture by clicking on plus icon on section row. In the course lecture, you have to define the lecture title, give it a meaningful name that tells students what this lecture is focusing on. If you have selected a video type lecture, click on Upload button and upload the lecture video. Try to keep your lectures short to be from 520 min. In this way, it makes consumption of the content much easier for a student. By clicking on this mark, you can get the details about supported formats of the video by Edugram. If you want to learn more, go to this page. Edugram allows different types of lectures. You can select types such as video type, text type, quiz type, which is coming soon, and optionally add lecture attachments. By selecting text type lecture, you can add comprehensive and formatted text lecture in detail about what the student will get from that, and then you can add a lecture attachment. Lecture attachments allow you to add additional resources to your lectures. Use it to share any resources with your students. It can be added in the format of PNG, PDF, or zip. Just drag and drop or click on the box to select and upload the desired file. This button allows previewing the lecture, means you allow your students to preview this lecture for free. This can give them ideas about your teaching style and the course itself. We recommend adding previews for at least 5 to 10% of your total content in various sections. Now let's click on Add to add the lecture. Now you understand how to add a section and then add lectures into them. Another, much simpler and faster way of adding video lectures is by dragging and dropping multiple files into the desired lecture. Drag and drop them, lecture title will inherit the title from the video file. If you want, you can edit it later. Wait until the upload process is complete. We suggest uploading not more than 20 lectures in one drop. After creating sections and lectures, you can rearrange sections or individual lectures inside the section or between sections by drag and drop one over another. Sections or lectures can be rearranged, For this, drag them one over another. Lectures can be moved from one section to another or be rearranged inside the section. Once done, click on Save. Now you understand how to create your course outline. After all that, click on Continue, navigate to the Marketing section. In the Marketing section here, you can upload video, course image, keywords to search the course, requirements, course description, and About Author. Preview video is the main introduction of the author and the course. List in the video all the details about what this course is about, what students will learn from the course, and add a short intro of the author. Video should be recorded professionally, as this is one of the key elements that determines the purchase of the course. Course image should be a catchy image that will attract attention to your course. It could have a visual representation of what this course is about and must look interesting for your audience. You can click on the info button to learn more. And then we have keywords. List a word or a short search phrase which users might use to look for your course. Requirements outline the prerequisites or necessary knowledge and tools students should have before starting your course. Maximum, you can add 10 requirements per course. After entering the requirement details, click on the Add button and move to the next section. What students will learn, outline the primary skills and knowledge that students will acquire by completing the course. By being specific, it sets clear expectations and helps potential students understand the course's value. For the short description, provide a concise one-sentence summary detailing what students will learn by the end of the course. It should seamlessly extend the course title for clarity and coherence. Next, scroll down to enter the course description in depth detail and About the Author description. In the course description, provide a detailed overview of what your course entails, as this serves as your primary sales pitch. Dive deep into the content and structure, emphasizing the unique value and benefits your course offers. Keep it under 3,000 words. In the About Author section, showcase your established credibility and connect with potential students. Share your background, expertise, qualifications, and relevant experiences that position you as an authority in the subject. After providing all the details, click on Save. Click Continue to navigate to the price. The price section in course creation is where you set and manage the pricing details for your course. The best price considers the course quality and the potential interest from the students. We have different price types for your course: the Smart price, which is recommended, and the Custom price. On the right side, you can see the description of each type in detail. Smart price is the best option as it utilizes Edugram's artificial intelligence to adjust the course price based on different factors, such as visitors, day of the week, course popularity, and others to maximize the income from your course. The system tries to meet the desired price and will not let it go lower than the minimum price specified. Custom price allows the author to have full control over the pricing. By selecting this option, you set a regular price that remains constant and can be adjusted by you using advanced pricing. Click on the Submit button and let's explore advanced pricing. Advanced pricing provides two options for controlling the price: a new price, that allows setting a new price for a specific period; discount, that allows creating coupons for percentage or fixed dollar discounts. In the New Price section, enter pricing details such as new price amount, initial price, select the validity period of the new price, and optionally choose whether you want to show the initial price in other fields. You can turn this policy on or off using the Enable Pricing Policy checkmark. In the Discount Details section, you can create a coupon code. Discounts can be either set as a percentage or fixed dollar amount. Type the discount amount and select the validity period. Additionally, you can set the maximum usage of this coupon, allow the coupon for gift course purchases, and decide whether you want the discount to be auto-applicable. Click on Add. You can either edit pricing policy or coupon by clicking on it, or delete using the delete icon. Now we can switch to the Review tab. This is the final tab. Here you can review a course section status. It allows you to easily identify completed sections and those that require further attention. If some of the sections are not complete, then click on that section. It will navigate you to that page to complete. After completing and updating the course details, you can preview your course by clicking on the Preview button to ensure that all the features look good before the publish. After previewing the course, click on the Exit Preview button. Leave a review note for the reviewer, provide your email, and send it for review. Then click on Publish. When you click Publish, your current version is sent for review. Once the review is done, your course will get published. In the newer versions, Edugram will add more controls for course release. Now that your course is published, you can view your version status. Okay, our course version has been approved, and now we can see that status being updated. If author needs to provide further updates to his course once the version is published, he can do that by clicking on a plus icon in the sidebar to add a new version. Once added, users can switch between versions. That's it! We have created our first course on Edugram. Now, EduAI will start processing your course to find the right audience for it. In the meantime, you can already share your course with your potential students. Every sale will be visible under your author dashboard. Follow us for more tutorials on how to manage your course, add payouts, and grow your audience like never before. Edugram, your ultimate platform to educate others.